In this video, I will share with you how to join Defuny Recruitment and earn more than 500 USD monthly working as a remote job, working from home through your phone. And also, watch this video to the end as I will also share you how to succeed as Defuny and make a lot of money every single day and get salary worth more than 360,000 USD every month for 1 year. Just recently, Defuny Network Recruitment increases its reward and the salary they pay their partner, and now their partner can earn as much as $360 as a junior member, 1,200 as a remote job, 3,600 working from home, 6,000 USD by recruiting member who invest into the Defuny network, 12,000 USD, 36,000 USD, 60,000 USD, 120,000 USD, and up to 360,000 USD annually as a worker on the Defuny network. But let me break this down for you at this junction. Make 30 USDT as a level 1 recruiter and 100 USDT as level 2 every month for 1 year. At level 3, you make 300 USDT. Level 4 earn you 500 USDT. While level 5 gets you 1,000 USDT every month. Level 6, 7, 8, and 9 will earn you up to 3,000 USDT, 5,000, 10,000, and 30,000 USDT every month respectively. Defuny Platform is recruiting partner from around the world, and it only takes a few minutes a day to participate in liquidity mining and enjoy passive income in Defuny token. Your job in the recruitment is to let people all over the world become shareholder, and you pay for just that. See my video above on how to join, register, and how people can inject into the platform and you make cool money. If this kind of content interests you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as YouTube will notify you whenever I drop new content on cryptocurrency and making money online videos. Thank you for taking your time to subscribe and like. See some of the earning on the Defuny network platform. All you have to do is to follow the link to the Defuny app in the comment below and in the description below as well. Defuny aims to recruit up to 10 million global partners, which you can be one of them. See the link for registration in the comment section. The browser you need to use is MetaMask Wallet browser to complete your registration. Reward attached to your recruitment. Get 5 USDT for every new member you register and entitled for monthly salary if you are able to register 5 people that invested into the liquidity. If you have any questions, suggestions, or addition to the Defuny network, you can leave the comment in the comment section below. You can also directly contact me on my WhatsApp group. The link will also be dropped for you in the description. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing crypto updates and money making tips. How to succeed in the Defuny network platform. Joining the Defuny platform as a partner means that you can earn income through it and truly realizing the profit method of the rich and using the money to generate more money. You will be part of the dynamic and innovative team. Now, here is the latest on the reward remuneration on new recruiter. If you are inviting new friends or people to the platform, you will earn 5 USD instead of the 2 USD as a reward on every new member that become a partner through you to the Defuny company. This opportunity does not come every time, but you can grab this. This opportunity depends on your own effort. Let us act together. For more amazing content on cryptocurrency, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next top videos.